Hey my friends, welcome to RV with me. Well, I'm so excited because on the show with me today I have my good friend Scott Dirk. Scott, how you doing?
Good, Jules, how are you? Hi folks, welcome to the show.
Well listen, we're gonna have so much fun today. Now one thing I love about this time of year, of course, it's fall, and oftentimes I hear that means it's toy hauler season, but why exactly is it toy hauler season, Scott?
Jules, the weather's cooled off. People want to go out, take the kids on the weekends and go have some fun. It's nice when you can take your quads or your dirt bikes or kayaks.
Oh, so the desert's a little cooler.
Yes.
And obviously this time of year actually is my favorite time of year at the beach. It's a little cooler too, so I understand all that. Now I came earlier this morning and I saw this motorhome. I mean, this is cool, but what exactly, it looks like a toy hauler, yet it doesn't look like a toy hauler. So what is it?
It's basically a motorhome with its own built-in party deck.
Okay.
So it's so nice. You can actually, you've got a refrigerator, you've got a couple TVs, you can get up in the morning, have coffee, and you don't even have to go outside.
Well, what I like about that too, my friends, is with the back deck, you can have your dogs, your animals, or your small children. They can feel like it's a good way to bring the outside in without actually having to worry about your kids wandering or your animals wandering off. So I love that. But suppose I want this to be a toy hauler. Is that possible?
We do. We have the one that you can actually fit your quad, dirt bikes, and everything up and into, so you can have it both ways.
So there's two models. Awesome.
Correct.
Well, listen, I have to tell you something. Can we take a look at the inside?
Let's go take a look.
Let's go.
And Jules, take a look at the inside of this.
Okay, my God, this is luxurious. I mean, Scott, why don't you start with the front?
Well, if you take a look up front, both your chairs swivel around, which gives you both a cocktail table and or a coffee table, if you want to get up in the morning and have a nice cup of
Right,
coffee.
there's 5 a.m. for the coffee and 5 p.m. for the cocktail hour.
For the happy hour.
I'm just saying.
That's right.
Now, the other thing I really like up there is when I go RVing, a lot of times I bring my work with me on the road, and I like that laptop table.
The laptop table and also works great for pets. A lot of times pets love to get up there and sit with
that's a
mom
good
too.
idea.
Yeah.
Now, moving back here, okay, I'm all about the comforts of home on the road, and that includes cooking and bringing all my food. And, it's fun to entertain. I mean, why go RVing if you're not going to have fun, right? I mean, that's the whole point. Now, the countertops, solid surface, I'm guessing?
Solid surface countertops.
Okay. And I like the fixture,
cooking,
right?
Yep.
But I like how the other part of the countertop comes out a little bit more room.
You do have a countertop extension. It's
That's
very
so
nice.
cool. Now, I know you can't feel what I'm feeling on TV, obviously, my friends, but these are solid wood?
Solid wood cabinetry.
And I like how they're raised cabinets, so they feel, what's the word? Everything feels rich in here.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
I just love the whole feel. There's also, looking around here, my God, there's a ton of storage in here,
You have
Scott.
a residential microwave. You have a residential refrigerator.
Well, I'm going to stop you for a second. Now, one thing I really like that I don't see a lot, and in my RV reviews, I comment on this a lot. I'm a little bit messy when I cook, so I like a nice backsplash. Check out this backsplash. I mean, that is
It's nice.
So nice, so easy to clean off, and you know what? More importantly, it looks good.
And it's safe.
Yeah, it's safe. What do you mean safe? What does that mean?
It's safe. You don't have to worry about spilling anything.
Oh, well, there you go. Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, you know me.
It's not just built for looks, Jules.
I'm a little messy. And of course, this table's huge.
It's a big dinette, which also makes into a nice big bed if you ever needed it to.
Well, listen, talk about going RVing. For me, it's about having fun. It's about having some fun parties, but I also like to watch my movies and watch the game. So we know there's 2 TVs outside. What about inside?
Inside, you have a theater seating behind us here.
Oh, okay, this is nice. I'm gonna have a seat.
Let's have a seat.
Oh, there's my TV.
You've got another TV in the bedroom.
So there's 4 TVs.
Correct.
Okay, so nice TV here. I love the fire.
Fireplace.
Now, does that heat up the RV?
It does. It has a small space heater in it, so it's going to take care of making the room nice and toasty for everybody.
Nice, toasty. That's another good word for RV.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying.
Yes, toasty, toasted.
Now the bathroom. Okay, it's quite a bit of room, but I like the fact the ceilings are extra tall. Once again, that's because it's the whole toy hauler feel,
It's the whole toy hauler feel. You have raised ceilings where you could be 7 foot tall and enjoy that shower.
I love it. Now moving back to the bedroom, king size bed?
King size bed. And then you also have a bathroom in the back. So on your entire patio deck there, you have a bathroom. People don't even have to come back into the RV.
So here's what's really nice. If who's ever out in the back, they can be relaxing, use the half a bathroom, don't need to come all the way in here and disturb me.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
I'm
right.
just joking. Anyway, I love all the comforts of home on this, and this sleeps how many?
6 to 8.
6 to 8. Okay, so 2 above the captain's chairs. The dinette turns into 2, I'm guessing.
Correct.
This turns into 2, and the king
And
size
the back
bed.
is 2.